Hi everyone, I'm Tiffany with homesofdaytonabeach.com. Today I'm showing off one of the newest listings in New Smyrna Beach. I'm here at 3201 Medici Boulevard right here in Venetian Bay. This home is just steps away from the town center, swim club, and tiki bar. It also has some outstanding features, including a beautiful pool, fantastic finishes, and it was built in 2020. So without further ado, let's go take a look. I am so glad you guys decided to tour this home with me today. I promise it's not going to disappoint. We're going to take a look outside first, and the very first thing that I want to point out is this driveway. It's pavered and is really big compared to most of the newer built homes. You're looking at about 58 feet long and 28 feet wide, so plenty of room to park several cars. You're also going to get this really cute front porch area, perfect for relaxing with a cup of coffee. Now, let's head inside. This home was constructed by Platinum Builders in 2020 and is the Jasmine Model. As we move through the home, you're going to notice the attention to detail they've put into making this home really stand out. As you can see, this home has a fantastic open floor plan, and it really feels so much bigger than its large 2,258 square feet. The ceilings soar in this living room, measuring 13 feet at their highest point. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, has a formal dining area, and a beautifully designed kitchen with a huge pantry. This kitchen features an oversized island, which is absolutely perfect for entertaining. You can seat up to 4 people here. You're also going to have stylish, tall cabinetry with soft closed drawers, and all of your appliances are GE stainless steel. The design elements in this home just tie perfectly to everything in the home. It really gives it a sophisticated, luxurious feel, from the backsplash to the tall cabinetry to these beautiful countertops. It's going to be carried through the bathrooms as well as the laundry room. And while we are talking about the countertops, I want to show you guys an up-close view of these beautiful quartz countertops that they have here. They're just stunning. You're also going to find custom blinds here in this home and the beautiful porcelain tile that runs throughout the entire home. There's no carpeting in here whatsoever. Now let's head into this master bedroom. This thing is amazing. You're going to have a cute little view here of your pool with a little nook for a desk. This master measures about 15 feet by 19 feet, and the ceilings here are also super tall, and they measure 11 feet at the tallest point. This master bathroom is equally as spectacular. It has a huge double vanity with tons of counter space and plenty of storage space as well. You're also going to have a really large walk-in shower with tiled flooring, as well as floor-to-ceiling tiling all around the sides. You're also going to have a lot of natural light from this window right here. There's going to be a lot of extra storage space in here other than underneath the vanity. You are going to have a small linen closet for your towels and bedding, things like that, but you're also going to have a large walk-in master closet. It's going to measure about 9 feet by 7 feet, so perfect for all of your Florida swimwear. I mentioned this home is close to the swim club and tiki bar. This is an optional membership. They have a resort-style pool and tiki bar and host a lot of fun community events. Now we're going to take a peek at the second and third bedrooms. Your second bedroom here is also going to have a view of the pool, and it measures about 13.5 by 12 feet. You're going to have a really nice size walk-in closet in here as well, with the closet being about 5.5 by 8 feet. Some of the other community amenities that I wanted to point out is that there is a golf course here in Venetian Bay, so residents can use that 7 days a week. You're also going to find over 20 miles of paved walking trails, and you'll be close to the town center where you will find restaurants, a gym, a church, a day spa, and plenty of other things to keep you busy. Now we're going to move to the other side of the house where I'm going to show you one of my favorite parts. This laundry room, you guys. It's gigantic. It has a sink, tons of counter space, plenty of storage in the cabinets, and it measures a whopping 8 feet by 12 feet. You're also going to have a little bit of additional storage space in here in this closet, and your air handler is also going to be located in the laundry room. Now we're going to move out into the garage. The garage measures about 24.5 feet by 22 feet, and the ceilings in here are 10.5 feet tall. You've also got a little alcove for your golf cart, and it's got beautiful epoxy coating flooring. I've definitely saved the best part of this tour for last, the outside area. If you love to be outside, hanging out with friends and family, or grilling, then this house is absolutely for you. It has an amazing covered seating area with multiple places for patio furniture and your grill. Or you can relax in your saltwater heated pool that is controlled by this handy dandy little remote control. It's going to control your heating, your LED lighting, it's going to control your water features, as well as some of the jets that are already installed in this pool. At its deepest point, the pool measures 7 feet deep, so there's plenty of room for swimming, splashing around, or just relaxing on your float. This home sits on a 1/4 of an acre, which is a fantastic lot size out here in Venetian Bay. It's also a corner lot, and you're going to find so much mature landscaping out here to give you even more privacy. They've got mature bamboo plants, a beautiful jasmine plant which smells amazing, and you're also going to get views of the lake and of the conservation area. It's just so peaceful and quiet, and you're going to have a wonderful time sitting out here and just relaxing. If you do have a dog and you're concerned about where they may be able to run, there is a side lot over on this side of the home that is fenced in, so they can run around, play, and hang out with you. Your pool equipment is also going to be located over here. I really love this home, and I hope you guys love it too. Thanks so much for watching. And that concludes our tour. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this beautiful home, so make sure to leave me a comment and let me know. If you do have any questions or you'd like to learn more about this home, check out the link in the description below. To learn more about the area or to browse other homes for sale, make sure to visit us on our website at homesofdaytonabeach.com and check out all of our other videos on our channel. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.